Tademat South, Kwanda Central. Devolution of power is coming. All government departments and all government ministries, NGOs, ambassadors, everything is found in Kwanda. And Kwanda needs an open-minded, a person who has experience, who has flown by plane, traveled by sea, that is the fact. Devolution is coming. Ofuna ugalale phansi ongafuna ugalale phansi ngesisu mina lapha ngilande ukuthi njengomuntu olombono ole vision anybody can represent any constituency, but if Kwanda Central is special, it needs special people because the land are special people. Angibalakanga mbuzi inhlubo zeKwanda North khona ngale ngakini ngestage ziphelele Kwanda office la and I'll be there for them. Umuntu osemangwe inhlubo zakhe ziphelele Kwanda. Kwanda, whether we like it, Kwanda Central, whether you like it or not, it is the constituency of constituencies. And therefore, what kind of a person do you want to be? I was it there so many. Gabuze, what one? So just let me just enumerate. Because it's a serious allegation. All para intambanesia. Now what you just because the church office I was one of the first to complete even the audit CTF. Masholo Moshe, I did some. What one? Masholo Moshe. What two? Willie Isa. What three? GP2 Lemzimun Clinic. What four? Elumen. What five? We finished in secondary school. What six? Takatisi Kozi. I said the 20 years in what seven? If Pampot engineer $4,000 in clinic. What 8 Hames Puda? Who were not fucking roofing yes Pud. What 9 Setkudana Lucasa was Zan Mozitamu. What 10 Uke deeper? People are not forthcoming. What 11 Hameka and Taladi? I'm a shelf for Apala no Pedro. That's one of you. Anyway, Kwanda North, I left just as much as I did with the municipality of Kwanda. I left an impeccable track record. You go for those that you should have in Kwanda. Thank you.